So, how do you hide a message on Discord? So, first of all, you can't hide a message on Discord mobile. Like, it's just impossible to do that. So, there's only a few solutions where you could hide their message. So, one of them is by either closing their DMs. So, if you want, I can close this. So, by closing that, you have automatically hide or hidden their message from you. And another one would be to just block them. You could just block them, as you can see. So the message will be shown as blocked message. So that's one way to hide a message on Discord. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.